Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is trivial. It is pronounced triv-yul, and it is spelt T-R-I-V-I-A-L. Think try, as in T-R-I, and then vial, V-I-A-L. Trivial means of little importance or value, insignificant. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something that is not important or noteworthy. For example, you could say, the mistake in her exam was trivial and could have been easily corrected. Or you could say, she considered the problem trivial and not worth worrying about. The word trivial comes from the Latin word trivialis, which means of the crossroads. It was originally used to describe something that was common or ordinary. However, over time, this came to have a negative implication. Something trivial is not important or worth thinking too much about. A bit like something of the crossroads. In the film Shrek 2, the ogre Shrek and his new wife Fiona go to visit her parents, the king and queen, in the land called Far, Far Away. However, once there, Shrek finds royal life trivial and of little meaning, substance, or importance, as he does not care for matters like royal balls or fame. He is happier at home in his swamp. Synonyms for trivial include insignificant, unimportant, minor, and petty. Antonyms for trivial include important, significant, major, and crucial. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, trivial. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.